Wanted to make a video to give you some direction in how to think about tomorrow's lecture. What we're going to look at is the idea of God clothing Adam and Eve. Why is God doing that? We're going to ask the question, did God have to kill an animal to clothe Adam and Eve? What does the text tell us, particularly this idea that in a normal sacrifice, the priest usually received the skin as payment for offering the sacrifice? And does the text imply that God is giving his own money, if you will, to clothe Adam and Eve? Like, how should we think about those texts? We're going to look too about the fact that putting on the Lord Jesus, that same language seems to be behind God clothing Adam and Eve. So we're going to see some of the same words are in those texts. So we should have a pretty good discussion. We'll also include the idea of Cain and Abel, what the names Cain, what the name Abel means. You might want to try to track that down for yourself. It should be a very interesting discussion, so I encourage you to read through the assigned passages before class, and I will look forward to seeing you then. Thanks.